Ever feel like your Jira backlog is a black hole of completed and irrelevant tasks? Today, we're diving into how to manage and close those done or not applicable tickets in your Jira backlog, making sure your project stays clean, efficient, and crystal clear first. Let's locate those tickets. Start by navigating to your Jira board and select the backlog view. You should see all your tickets listed here, potentially including those marked as done or not applicable. They could be mixed in with your active tickets, which is where the clutter comes in. Now, let's focus on closing a ticket. Click on the ticket you want to address. This will open the detailed view of the ticket. Within the ticket view, you'll likely see the current status, whether it's done or perhaps not applicable depending on your workflow. You might have a specific workflow transition to close tickets. If you can't immediately close the ticket, or if your workflow requires it, ensure all necessary information is filled, like comments or attachments, and confirm the ticket status. Here's how to get that ticket out of your backlog and archive it. A common way is to change the ticket's status to closed or resolved. Look for an option in the Jira board's workflows where you can transition statuses. Select the correct transition to move the ticket to this final state. This will automatically move the ticket from the backlog list to done. And that is it. Now the ticket is clean and out of your view. Repeat these steps for all of the done or not applicable tickets you wish to close, freeing up valuable space and attention. Remember to review and audit your backlog regularly to ensure ticket statuses accurately reflect the project's progress and avoid unwanted clutter. You've just decluttered your Jira backlog, which will improve focus, visibility, and ultimately the success of your project.